Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today we were having the showers delivered and the rest of the piping and stuff so that we can get the plumbing really involved. Right now we just have a few small things in there, like the drains and everything. They've been fixing and correcting and adding pieces and parts to make it work right so far. But now with all this stuff, we'll be good. However, we got to get this stuff up the driveway. And the driveway is a little steep at the very beginning, as you can see. And then it kind of is less steep. But he kind of bottomed out in the drainage ditch. So we're going to use this GMC guy who's offered to help to try to give him enough oomph to pull him so he can get out of the ditch. Because as you can see, his wheel is spinning. There he goes. He got out. Yay, he's out of the ditch.